Allah tells us that the day of hisab, the day of reckoning has approached. It's close. But the reality of most people is that they are fi ghaflatin mu'ridun, that they are heedless, turning away. What is the reason why? The reminders are coming to them. So why are they turning away? Allah tells us, lahiyatan qulubuhum, that their hearts are distracted. Their hearts are occupied doing evil things. And what's interesting here, when you make tadabbur and you reflect, why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mention the qulub, the hearts? Because when you say lahiya, that's distracted, you usually think about the other body parts, the actions. So you'll think the eyes looking at that which is haram, the ears listening to that which is haram. You think about, the tongue speaking of that which is haram, backbiting, ghiba, namima. You think about the hands doing that which is haram, the legs going to that which is haram. But Allah mentioned the qulub, the hearts. And that is because the qalb, the heart, it's the command post. It's the center of all of the other actions. The heart is what controls all of these limbs. And that's why our beloved Prophet ﷺ in the hadith, he said that in the body there's a mudghah, that there is a piece of flesh. إِذَا صَلَحَ, if it is reformed, it's good, then the rest of the body will be good. إِذَا فَسَدَ, but if it's corrupted, then the rest of the body will be corrupted as well. And he said, alayhi salatu wasalam, أَلَا وَهِيَ الْقَلْبِ, that indeed it is the heart.